Thing to settle is venue before anything else, right? So pag gagawa ka ng event, ang una mong isi-settle is venue before anything else. So it's so hard to find venue in the Philippines. You need to check, you need to search one by one, call them one by one, and you need to ocular them one by one. And seriously, it's so hard to find venue fit for your requirements. Now we come up that all events venue Philippines, if all events venue in the Philippines, ilalagay na lang namin in one website. So that's why we call it Events Venue Philippines. So now, of course, why you need to advertise with us? Why Events Venue Philippines? Because 99% of our traffic, wala pang suppliers. Again, first thing to settle is venue, right? So wala pang mga suppliers. So kaya, ang Events Venue Philippines, we have a column or category na we feature also suppliers. That's the good thing. And of course, yung mga upcoming events. So, if you have an event, you can email us, we can promote it. Kasi, yun nga, the venues, the suppliers, and all upcoming events. Like bridal fair, some of bridal fairs, ini-invite kami maging media partners. Some of mga social events, corporate events, they email us, they invite us to come and visit, like yung mga vloggers friends natin. Okay? And, of course, now, hindi lang kami online. We have now print ad. So we called it Events Venue Philippines Magazine. Why Events Venue Philippines Magazine? Hindi to, brochure ng Avon. Kasi ganun nga kaliit, right? And we're proud to say, we are full color. Okay? Talaga yung materials namin. Let's mention talaga quality-wise. Okay? Why we need to have like this lang, kaliit? Because ang highlight of this magazine is the checklist. Okay? Most of the couples natin, most of the clients talaga, normally, bakit kailangan ng coordinators? Bakit kailangan nilang mag-search ng mga suppliers na kailangan nilang i-hire? Kasi wala silang idea. Right? Pupunta sila sa inyo, makikipag-usap sila sa inyo. Technically, may nami-miss sila eh. Diba? Ano ang kailangan nating mga equipments? Anong kailangan nating mga suppliers na kailangan i-hire? Now, we have Events Venue Philippines to guide you. All the couples na hindi pa nila ang idea, may karoon kaming wedding checklist. Normally, ang may wedding checklist, mga coordinators eh. Right? I believe ang iba nun, walang mga wedding checklist. Like the cake supplier, stylist, photo and video, the coordinators. So now here, sa loob namin, ang highlight ng magazine kasi may wedding checklist. Ano ang mga equipments, ano yung mga supplies na kailangan nilang i-hire or bilhin. Okay? So, ganun siya kaganda. Second, we have also comparative sheets. Ano yung comparative sheets? Kasi normally, ang mga couples, lagi silang nag-hire, let's say, coordinator. They check ano yung inclusions ng coordinator, magkano yung price. So, normally, ganun. So, ngayon na nangyayari, kailangan nilang i-compare one by one. Tama? It's like a purchasing. Now, we have forms also inside. Ano yung mga suppliers na kailangan nilang i-hire, and meron na rin doon, pwede nilang i-note para easy for them, okay, to check. Kasi syempre, si coordinator number 1, lahat nun nasa in-mind lang eh. O kaya nasa scratch paper or small notebook, right? Now here, kaya siya maliit because handy siya lahat ng mga kailangan niya nandito. Every meeting niya sa mga suppliers, dala-dala niya to. So, etong magazine, ang hindi lang siya first, flip na, okay, it's enough, na-browse ko na. No. This magazine kasi talagang hawak-hawak mo siya. That's the most important of this magazine. Na hindi niya basta lang itatapon, or after niyang nabasa, iiwan niya lang sa tabi. No. Dala-dala niya to entire event hanggang matapos. Okay? Aside from the supplier's checklist na nabanggit namin, second, we have comparative sheets. It's like purchasing. You need to hire talaga. Normally, bakit nilagay ko hanggang option 3? Kasi sometimes, compare nila si coordinator 1, coordinator 2, hindi pa sila happy. Nakukuha nila yung results or nakakapag-decide sila pag meron ng third supplier. So, it's like mga corporate. Ganun talaga. Hindi pa pwedeng dalawa lang. Minimum is 3 suppliers. So, meron tayong forms. Meron na they can take note Halimbawa, photo and video, nandito yan sa loob. Okay? Lastly, meron din tayong nilagay na allocation. Allocation budget, we call it events budget allocation. Ito ang pinaka-importante sa mga nag-i-event. Kasi, it states here, meron tayong allotted budget, okay? Meron tayong actual budget, and pwede nilang i-take note. Kung siyempre, ino-note nila kung kanino ito manggagaling, galing ba to, care of ba to kay bride, care of ba to kay groom, care of ba to sa ninong and ninang, mas manageable. See? And last page, the last form or the last pinagay namin, naglagay kami ng simple notes and reminders. Why we need this? Kasi diba, meron tayong mga bridal fairs, mga save the date na kailangan nilang ilagay, meron silang mga meetings, meron silang mga food tasting. Para hindi nila makalimutan, we have also this. Dito lang nilang isusulat. So now, bakit Events Venue Philippines Magazine? Because we want it in traditional way na magazine pa rin naman talaga siya. Why? Lahat kasi nasa loob. Meron tayong mga articles na healthy for them. Number one, we have RSVP etiquette. 3 reasons why you need to RSVP. Meron dito the essence of getting an event planner. Kung bakit kailangan nyo talagang mag-hire ng mga coordinators, event planner. Diba? Kasi yung iba, okay na, pwede na si best friend. Okay? Nandito yung mga list of mga suppliers. Pwedeng maghanap ka ng host. And nationwide po ito. We have here from Cebu, from Boracay, from Davao. So, nandito yan sa loob. We are launching actually din also this sa ibang area. So, here in Manila, here in Metro Manila, we have here in MOA. So, we're going to Cebu, magbibigay din kami ng list. You can ask later kung ano yung mga gusto nyo pang malaman with this magazine. And aside from this, guys, sabi nyo magtatanong kayo, TJ, saan na ba available tong magazine, Events Venue Magazine nyo? Now, we're trying to disseminate, magdidistribute po kami ngayon ng mga copies sa lahat ng mga coffee shops natin. Okay, para siya maging visible sa Prestige Lounge, pwede sa mga Starbucks and other coffee shops. Meron din tayong available sa lahat ng bridal fairs. Entrance pa lang, we're selling this na. Or you can visit our booth, available kami doon. We're trying to talk Lazada para nationwide talaga siya, yung distributions, na they can buy this. We're talking na Lazada. And aside from that, coffee shops, lahat din ng mga bridal shops. Let's say, Francis Libiran. Yung shop nila, if you have an office, you can talk to us. We can bring supplies. Okay? Events Venue Philippines, we're targeting, hopefully, next issue is available na siya sa national bookstores. Okay? So now, once again, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to present to you the Events Venue Philippines Magazine. Thank you so much. So, ganun lang ka-basic. Maraming salamat. Anyone, if you have questions, please let us know. Ano ang mga kailangan nyo? We're here. Actually, I would like to thank bloggers. We have bloggers here na invited. If you wish to talk to them also, to give a write-up para sa mga events nyo, baka may kailangan kayong needs, ayan, they can give calling cards or they can check also yung mga followers nila. We have write-up kasi sila yung mga team ng writers ko sa magazine ko. So, I have an in-charge sa kanila. Wisni sa Cueco, wala kasi siya dito. Siya yung nag-i-invite sa mga bloggers. Kasi we have here from Pangasinan, talagang nandito sila. Neri, thank you so much. Vanessa, Mark Phil, ang aking walang humpay ng mga supporters, maraming salamat. We know we are small community compared with others, and I'm so loud to that. Kasi alam naman, 2 years pa lang si Events Venue Philippines, sa mga hindi nakakaalam. So, sobrang baby pa to sa industry. Okay? And we respect so much sa kanila. We look forward na makatrabaho natin sila. And of course, Sir Boogie ng GQ Mobile Wire, maraming salamat. Yan talaga pag sinabi mo, walang hindi yan. Talagang present yan. Despite may trabaho, talagang mag-drop by talaga siya. Si Annie from Cavite, maraming salamat. We have Belmont Hotel here, Golden Phoenix, part sila ng magazine. Ayan. So yan ang mga sinusuportan ng Events Venue Philippines. Vloggers, Markfield, Images. Ayan, sila Marky Images. Maraming salamat. And Conceptor, right? Thank you so much.
Sino pa? Of course, Arte, thank you so much. AJ! Si AJ ang nag-style. Ayan, siya yung nag-come up with this idea also na para masuportahan talaga kami. Para at least, we're so elegant naman. That's why we need to cut you because I believe talagang excited na kayo maglaro. But the SM also is asking you to wear a proper shoes para at least for safety reasons also. Okay? Now you can enjoy the SM MOA Bowling Center. You can game, pwede na po kayo maglaro ngayon. Again, I'm TJ Yuson from Events Venue Philippines. Maraming salamat po.